Hello, my name is Caden, and this is Connor. I'm gonna teach you how to do a Rubik's Cube trick, and he's gonna teach you how to do it back. Okay? Okay, ready? So first, you start with any color. I'll start with red and white. What I do is you go one side down and the other side down, so it looks like that, and then now it's like that, and like that and stuff. And then, like that, you just turn it either that way or that way. It doesn't really matter. I'll turn it to the blue. So now you do that, and then you do the bottom too. So now it looks like that. Now you look at the bottom. These two are red, and that's red. All you do is you go up on one side and up on the other side. Now you have that one like that, and that one like that. Then from that you look directly on top, and it's that. And then the top and bottom layers are white, and that side, these two are white. So all you have to do is turn it toward the white side, so it looks like that, and then the bottom towards the white side, so it looks like that. Now once you've done that, if you did it right, you successfully did all of them. I'm going to turn it over to my friend to show you how to get it back. Connor?
I spend 24 hours a day just about
Okay.
I love it, but today Brett's looking after them.
Let's see.
I'm gonna go have some time by myself.
I'm going to start on the right.
Oh, you said you're gonna
So you flip it, flip it once back, right, like that, flip the other side back, and then that's what the top looks like. Once you get the top, you look for the other two whites. Wait, no, you look for the blue middle piece, which is right there. Then you flip. You want that to go in there. So then you flip it once, like that. Now it looks like that. And then, alright. Then you flip those two sides, so it looks like that. And then there's the other line of white. Then you want to flip that one up, so it looks like that. And then you got them all. Wow. Thank you, and please subscribe.
Absolutely, but first, we're going to give Mom a girl day. Instead of a girl's night out, a girl's day out. There is no doubt.
Famous flip pair.
So when I come home, I know Christy absolutely
Done.
girl time.